Hey everybody, Basic Eric here from Second Chance Garage, and getting ready to try and finish up these floor pans today. As if luck would have it, the welding shop guy wasn't there when I went there this morning to pick up my supplies, so here it is 2:30 and I'm just now getting started. So probably not going to get very far today, but do what I can, get it out of the way, so let you follow along and see how things go. Alright, I'll give you a little update on the progress. It's about 4 o'clock now, so a couple hours on this. Working my way along here. I've had to build a lot of these little patches to plug the big holes. All this area in here I tried filling a big spot like that using a piece of copper as a backing material, and it sort of worked, but ends up with this big ugly well. It's going to be a lot of work to clean up, I think. So I think taking it a few minutes and building these little splice pieces like you can see right there, that goes faster. This edge is done over here, I think. I still have to go through and check for pinholes, but I think that's pretty well done. So you can see a lot of these welds look pretty good, I think. Works a lot better with shielding gas. So I'm just marching my way along, still having a lot of problems with blow-throughs and stuff. So this little area right here, I did put the copper backing behind it, and I was able to bridge across those two, so that does work. It is a little tricky. I only have a small piece of copper. It doesn't have a real big heat sink capability, and plus I'm doing it by myself, so it's a little hard to do. Anyway, I'm steadily working my way along here. So hopefully I can get this done today without running out of shielding gas. See how it goes. Oh, let me show you the bottle I got. So this is a 60 cubic feet bottle, so it's 3 times the one that I had. Time will tell how well that holds up. Hasn't run out yet, so some wood to knock on my head. Let me show you the plug rails. I think those are coming out really nice. Pretty happy with those. Most of these have come out pretty nice here. There's a few places like this where you can see there's a pretty big gap between there and the cross member. I just can't push it down anymore. So those I'm just basically ended up filling those. But most of them are down pretty well. And all the little screw holes I've managed to getting pretty good at filling those. Those guys are pretty good. Alright, so keep on marching along here. Alright, well there we go. Ran out of gas again. So, I guess 60 cubic feet's not enough either. Maybe you guys could tell me what size tanks you run. Like I said, I've seen the big tall ones that are as big as me. I don't think I want to go that big, just so the bulk of it moving around, but I got probably halfway done with this today. Show what we got. So that's pretty well done back there. This is about done here. Then we finish this. This is done across here. Focus. This is done across here. This whole stretch is done over there. I have more work to do. I think all of the plugs are done, except up front there. This is done. So I'm going to get the grinder out and grind this stuff down a little bit, see how things look. Focus. And then, yeah, we'll see where we are. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about the tank. I notice this thing lets the gas run for probably 2 seconds after you release it to keep the weld clean. And when you're doing these little zit kind of welds, that's just a lot of gas. I feel like that's the problem. If you're doing continuous welds, you wouldn't be in such a bad shape. But lots of little individual spot welds, basically touch welds. I don't know what those are called. You just burn through that gas really quick, I think. So Anyway, I'm going to get the grinder out and see how things look. I thought I should probably give you a look at what the welds look like from the bottom. Let's see, that guy needs a little more work. It's very nice over there. Clearly didn't get enough penetration on that guy. It looks pretty okay in through there. Yeah. Holds pretty good, I think. Alright, well, let's show you what we got done today. I was able to grind down most of these plug welds and they came out pretty nice. Welds across here are not too bad. It was a little porous right there, but I think it's sealed. When I grind down the other side, I'll find out. And this one over here looks like pretty nice. I don't think there's any pinholes in it. It's looking pretty good. So here's a question for you guys. When you're grinding down the welds, where do you stop? I mean, are you trying to grind it down to the point where you don't need any filler on it and it'll look good? Or are you just trying to get it as flat as possible? Case in point right here, grinding this down, this edge was sticking out a little bit, so I kept grinding it to try and get it flat, then it burned through there. The rest of it came out pretty nice. I'm not sure what to do there. You know, like this stuff in here, you can see there's still, can you see that? Here. There's still evidence of the weld there, but you put some fiberglass in there and you won't see that anymore because it's below the level of the metal around it. So I'm thinking that's what you want, is just basically so it's not a high spot. And then you go back and you can put the filler on top of that. For filler, bought this stuff today. Seen a bunch of you guys use this, so I will give that a try. Anyway, once again, I didn't get as far as I'd hoped I would, but everything went pretty well today. No disasters, and it's coming along pretty good. So hopefully I'll be able to get it wrapped up in the not too distant future. Anyway, thanks everybody. Take her easy.